Good morning, friends. I am Sundar Kumar from DAV Public School, Daudnagar. Today, I am going to describe past tense. In previous class, I have already discussed about present tense. There are four types of past tense. Number one, simple past or past indefinite tense. Second, past continuous or past progressive tense. It is also called past imperfect tense. And third is past perfect tense, and fourth is past perfect continuous tense. I will discuss one by one. First, you see simple past or past indefinite tense. It shows that something happened in past. For example, he went to Patna yesterday, he played bell. And a structure will be like this: subject plus V2 or plus object. Now, past continuous tense or past progressive tense. It shows that something was happening in past. For example, she was writing, he was playing, they were playing. Its structure will be subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing. Now, past perfect tense. It can be defined in two ways. First, when two jobs were finished in past, then we use past perfect with first work completed, and then we use simple past with work finished later. Here you say, Mohan had left before Sohan arrived, and I think you must have understood. Second, something happened in past and was effective for some time. For example, he had eaten a mango. Its structure will be like this: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Now, past perfect continuous tense. It shows that work was continued for a long time in past. For example, she had been working, they had been playing, he had been watering the plants since morning. Here you see the structure of the sentence, and I think everything will be clear to you. My dear friends, its structure will be like this: subject plus had been plus one thing I have not added, that is since or for plus V1 plus ing, that is it is also called V5, fifth form of the V4. My dear friends, I hope you must have understood, and take care of yourself. Thank you.